Hi guys, welcome back to Point Blank Dev. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a programming language called Pascal. Now, for most of you, this might not be a new language to you, but to some of you, this might be a new language to you. So, this is basically an introductory class to what we are going to be doing. So, for a start, just go to your browser, search and download Pascal IDE. We are using Lazarus. Okay. Now, if you are using a 64-bit system, search for the one for 64-bit, and if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then get the 32-bit operating system. Okay, so I have already downloaded my Lazarus IDE here. I've downloaded the one for 64-bit, so I'm going to double click to install it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, create a new now. Okay, next, create a desktop shortcut, install. So let's wait for it to install. I don't know why it's taking so much time, but let's be patient and wait for it to install. Let's wait, be patient a little bit. Okay. Let's be patient. I don't know why it's taking so much time. But I hope you are following me. So just download the right IDE for your system or operating system. Just as I earlier said, if you are using a 32-bit operating system, okay, you can just check that by going to right clicking on this PC and then properties. Okay, now you can check now this is 64-bit operating system. Okay, if you are using a 32-bit system type, it's going to tell you that you are using a 32-bit operating system. Okay, so let's come back, let's finish. Now we have successfully installed our Pascal IDE. So you can see it here. Let's pin it here. Let's pin it to the taskbar here. So we are going to open our Pascal IDE. Okay, start IDE. So basically we have successfully downloaded and installed our Pascal IDE here. So this is how it looks like. So if you are opening it for the first time, this is what it's going to show you. So guys, this is it for this tutorial, and then I hope to see you in the next class.